Hi, this is 2010 Dodge Charger SFP and doing rear differential oil change. Mobile 7590 and for the prevent slipping. So what I did, I jacked up the charger, you can see, and this is draining plug, and over here is a filling plug. I didn't have a proper tool, so what I did, I opened with this nut. How I did it, let me show you. This is the cheapest way and most efficient way to do it. You have a plug like this, and you put the nut, simply fit in snug. So it should look like this. And you can open with the ratchet. Now you can take this nut out. Fits perfect. So this has been draining. Its draining is done. And I jack from here, and I put the jack stand on a frame, unibody frame. So this is it.